DJI just dispatched a move up to the greatest gamicanger in the drone business, the Mavic Mini. The foldable, under 250 grams drone is getting every last bit of its specs and highlights improved with the new Mavic Mini 2. I'm certain you have just heard, seen or even flown a DJI Mavic drone. It is quite possibly the latest items by the celebrated brand DJI. Well, right now the Mavic Mini 2 brings the excellent video goal and stability, in addition to class driving flight reach and term from the Mavic arrangement to the under $500 value range. Very simple to haul around in a knapsack, it's truly outstanding for occasions, shooting open-air occasions, vlogging, or essentially anything. Compact and lightweight, not just it very well may be conveyed anyplace, it's likewise the most exact and stable drone under $500. Everything you need to truly experience an out-of-this-world performance. From novices to specialists, the Mini 2 is a marvel in any hands. Holy Stone has been perhaps the most fascinating contenders to DJI. A portion of their products have begun to truly stand apart from the rest as the organization substantiates itself and to its clients to merit a portion of the drone market. One of their better drones is the late refreshed Holy Stone HS720. Holy Stone HS720 has details that opponent even the mighty DJI Mavic series. Above all else, the drone is equipped for flying as far as 1,600 meters. In the event that, like me, you are an enthusiast of long-distance drones, you will cherish HS720, as it will fly far beyond your vision and still securely return thanks to auto-return feature regarding flight time. Every battery permits as long as 26 minutes of flight time. The drone also transmits live video via Wi-Fi directly to a smartphone device through a free-to-download app. The camera can be placed on a phone holder attached to the 5G remote controller. Alright, we are conning somewhat, this isn't exactly under $500, yet the Mavic Air 2 is simply too acceptable incentive for cash not to remember for this survey. It is a huge move up to its archetypes, the Mavic Air just as the Mavic Genius, which has been stopped. The Mavic Air 2 highlights a superior camera and sensors and has additional control range. With regards to execution, Mavic Air 2 is an unequivocal redesign over the Mavic Air. Both have amazing execution, having the option to consistently drift setup with no pilot's contribution on the distance regulator. This drone is an easy-going flyer, ideal for amateurs. Don't hesitate to fly it even breezy days, with alert obviously. The Air can arrive at a maximum speed of almost 70 km per hour, which makes it an extraordinary novice drone racer. Since we are discussing a more costly drone, you would expect the Mavic Air 2 to beat each drone in this audit detail astute. And it does so conveniently. This being said, Air makes some flight memories of 34 minutes and a most extreme control scope of 10 kilometers. One of the principal selling purposes of Mavic Air 2 is undoubtedly its camera. The camera can shoot 4K video at 30 fps, 2.7K at 60 fps, and Full HD video at 120 fps. On the off chance that you love airborne photography and videography, you will need to take this baby all over. The Air accompanies of a half CMOS image sensor ready to catch 12 MP still photographs with HDR and make 48 MP spherical panorama shots. Also, obviously it sends live video as well. True to form, Mavic Air 2 accompanies all the extravagant accessories a very good quality DJI drone is known for. These features are active track, quick shots, smart capture, tap and fly, vision-based protection, VO technology, smart obstacle avoidance, one key takeoff and landing, automatic return. As you can see, a large portion of the features are centered around upgrading the photography and videography experience. Time to leave the past behind and placing straight into the best 5 is the Hubsan Zeno 4K foldable quadcopter. This is the most recent contribution from Hubsan and estimated at simply more than $300. It serves an extraordinary spending pickup in our top drones under $500 review. Perhaps the best thing about the Zeno 4K is that, regardless of its value, it scarcely bargains, if by any means, as far as quality. From fabricate quality to highlights and specialized determinations, it is beating a significant number of its rivals in this class. The control distance for the Zeno 4K goes up to a shocking 2.5 kilometers. It's profoundly improbable that you'll require nor discover a drone with a superior control distance in this value range. The flight time at ideal conditions is 23 minutes, which implies most would agree that, for the normal client, the flight time drops down to around 20 minutes. The Xeno takes the edge with its 3-axis gimbal stabilizer, on which the 4K UHD camera rests. It's what permits the camera to create more clear pictures in comparison. Anafi is a flying camera that contains cutting-edge photography software and hardware. An integrated camera uses a latest generation sensor for spectacular 4K HDR videos and 21-megapixel photos. HDR has a former dynamic range to the image. It's ideal for filling a sunset or a bright blue sky would expose backdrops. And if he is the only drone on the market able to do this. It's a camera capable of taking unique photos and videos that just aren't possible with any other drone in the same category. The camera tilts from -90 to +90 degrees vertically to take shots from all angles. The camera is equipped with wide-angle lens featuring 110-degree diagonal field of view. The optic was specifically designed to limit lens flare in all lighting conditions. Stabilized on 5 axes, 2 mechanical axes and 3 electronic axes, the Sony optical sensor built into Anafi allows clear images to be taken, despite the vibrations associated with drone flights. The X3 zoom and the 180 degrees tilt of the camera provide a detailed view of the observed target.